Thank you so much everyone for joining. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन है. दिस इज अ फॉलो अप सेशन टू द प्रीवियस सेशन जिसमें रजनी जी ने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज का. उनके बारे में हमें बताया था और हमने फिर एक फॉर्म फ्लोट किया था जिसको आप कई लोगों ने भरा. और द आइडिया ऑफ द फॉर्म वाज कि कई लोग झिझकते हैं या नहीं पूछ पाते हैं वीडियो ऑन करके क्वेश्चंस या अपने पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हैं, तो वो कंफर्टेबली अपने क्वेश्चंस हमें भेज सकें, इसलिए वो फॉर्म था और आप लोगों ने हमें रिस्पॉन्ड किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. सो ऑन एनालाइजिंग द क्वेश्चंस हमने ये देखा कि क्वेश्चंस प्राइमरीली दो कैटेगरीज के हैं. एक जनरल बैच फ्लावर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है कि वो क्या करती हैं, कैसे ली जा सकती हैं, और दूसरा लोगों ने अपने कुछ स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस पूछे कि हमें ये तकलीफ है या हमें ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये हमारा ये इशू है, तो क्या हमें उसमें फायदा हो सकता है. So what I will do is I will ask these questions one by one, and then Rajni ji can answer these questions. Shall we do it like that?
Yeah, Richa, please speak out in English also. There are many people who don't understand Hindi.
Okay, all right. Okay. So what I just said was that we analyzed the inputs that we received in the form, and we found that the questions can be broadly categorized in two categories. One is generic questions related to batch flower medicines, what they are, how they can be used, are they effective and all that. And the other type of questions were like personal queries where people shared their issues and problems, and they wanted to know if batch flower medicines can be helpful for their specific problem. And we also had some people sharing the same problem. So we have clubbed those questions and we will try to answer all of them one by one. So what I will do is I'll start asking the questions, and then we will see what Rajni ji has to say to that. So the first question is that are batch flower remedies safe for children? क्या उनका कोई side effect होता है? क्या बच्चों को दी जा सकती हैं?
Yes, batch flower remedies are totally safe for children because these are natural remedies. These are even safe for elder people and pregnant women and everyone else. These are natural remedies, the extracts of flowers. So these are not harmful at all. Even if you have taken a big dose of that, then also it does not cause any harm.
Right. So the next question is also quite related to, I think, side effects. और ये question है कि batch flower remedies में क्या steroids होते हैं? Do they have steroids?
No, they don't. Actually, their effect is so fast. People think they have steroids. So they asked me whether they contain steroids. There are no steroids at all. You don't need to worry about.
Right. और दूसरा question, एक दो क्वेश्चंस जो काफी रिलेटेड हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि होम्योपैथी से थोड़े कंफ्यूज किए गए हैं. वो ये है कि हाउ मच गैप शुड बी देयर बिटवीन मील एंड बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज. क्या खाली पेट लेनी होती हैं? इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन.
बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज किसी भी समय पर ले सकते हैं. एनी टाइम यू कैन टेक इट. एम्प्टी स्टमक इज आल्सो फाइन, and there is no clash with any other medicine or food. Not necessarily you need to keep you can even put the drops into the meal sometimes to give someone who doesn't want to take remedy or not in a condition to take the remedy. We can put the remedy in their food, so there is no clash with the food at all.
और क्या कोई foods avoid करने चाहिए? Are there any foods that should not be taken alongside batch flower remedies?
No, nothing like that. It's different from homeopathy.
Okay. Another generic question was that kya batch flower medicines, can they be taken along with allopathic, homeopathic, ayurvedic medicines, or do we have to stop all other medicines to take these medicines?
You can take this along with any medicine system. Especially modern medicines को तो हम stop ही नहीं करते हैं. If someone is taking modern medicines, allopathy medicines you are taking for heart or blood pressure or epilepsy, you don't need to stop them. These remedies will help you for better well-being, feeling of well-being and improved life pattern. But certain remedies are to be taken. and there is no harm along with taking homeopathy and allopathy or Ayurvedic, any other system you can continue with.
All right. So these were mostly the generic questions about bad flag medicines. Let's now move towards more specific questions. I think one question that came through quite widely was that can it help in chronic vaginal infections where no medicine has been effective for a long time?
Chronic vaginal infection can be treated very well with Bachelor remedies, because the root cause of this infection is usually stress-based or emotions-based. So we can very well treat the stress and emotions in Bachelor remedies, and as well as the patient becomes comfortable with her emotions, automatically the infection goes up.
Great. Okay. Another question was about another long-term illness. It was that a lady has been on a wheelchair for over 20 years, mainly due to anxiety, and she keeps repeating, some stuff all day long. So can Bachelor remedies be helpful in such a situation?
Yeah, again, this is a chronic condition, so it will take time to get healed. But she keeps saying something or the else, means she is in a very high anxiety level. So first of all, her anxiety is to be treated. When the anxiety is over or emotional balance is there, then her physical condition will also improve. So it can be treated, but it will take a long time. You have to keep patience.
Right. Of course. Another question is about depression. If someone has been in depression for about, say, 10 years and he's also been taking sleeping pills, can such a problem be handled and solved through Bachelor?
Yeah, surely. This can be healed with Bachelor remedies, and I have done such cases. A person was in depression time to time since he was 10 years old, and from that time, after every 2-3 years, he used to go into depression for 2-3 years, and then for 5 years he goes into the depression. And after taking 15 days of remedies, he told me that he is very much improved, and he sleeps well now, and anxiety medicines, whatever he was taking, he left those. And still I'm treating that person, but within 15 to 20 days, he responded very well, very well. Depression के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छी रेमेडीज हैं. डिप्रेशन एंड फियर्स एंड ट्रॉमास के लिए तो ये स्पेसिफिकली बहुत अच्छी रेमेडीज, और बहुत जल्दी इसमें वेलबींग की फीलिंग आ जाती है. बहुत जल्दी इंसान अच्छा खुद को महसूस करने लगता है, लेकिन थोड़ी दिनों तक उसको मेडिसिन कंटिन्यू करनी होती है, जिससे कि वो प्रभाव जो है वो स्थायी हो जाए, वो पूरी तरह से स्थायी हो जाए. उसके लिए हमें लॉन्ग टाइम, आप ऐसे सोचिए कि अगर कोई चीज 15 साल से आपको प्रॉब्लम है, 20 साल से प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप एटलीस्ट मुझे 10-15 महीने तो दीजिए. आप मतलब आराम आपको शुरू में ही आ जाएगा, लेकिन आपको लेनी होगी रेमेडीज लंबे समय तक, जिससे कि उसका प्रभाव स्थायी हो जाए, परमानेंट हो जाए. That's all.
All right. I think another question, a popular question, was related to menopause and all the difficulties that ladies go through during that period. And they put on a lot of weight and they go through a lot of other, issues. So how can Bachelor remedies be helpful for such?
Bachelor remedies are good for the periods when you feel some change. So it is a very important change in the life. मेनोपॉज के टाइम पे आपको हॉट फ्लैशेस हो सकते हैं, आपको वेट गेन हो सकता है, इरिटेशन हो सकता है, मूड स्विंग्स हो सकते हैं. तो इन सब चीजों को डील करने में बैचलर पूरी तरह से सक्षम है. इट डील्स देम वेरी वेल, एंड बिकॉज दीज आर हार्मोनल चेंजेस, सो एंड ऑटोमेटिकली they set in after the duration of some time, say in some cases 2 years, 3 years. But during that period, whatever you are suffering with, that can be reduced to the zero level if you are taking batch flower remedy, because that will help you keeping your emotions good. Feeling of well-being will be provided with the remedy, and hormonal changes भी जो है वो आपको उतना disturb नहीं करेंगे. उसमें you will be able to accept the changes what is going on in your body and mind. So that way it helps a lot.
Great. I think इसके अलावा anxiety से related काफी questions थे, and I think we have answered. Rajni ji has answered them also in several ways, because anxiety sort of manifests itself in different forms of diseases. But in general, if anybody has any question, related to any of their problems, if you want to ask that specifically, please go ahead, switch on your cameras, and we can talk about it.
Please unmute yourself, switch on your camera, and you can ask anything now.
Okay, ma'am. I am Mrs. Amita Khandelwal. I just want to ask you, I am 53 years of age and menopause has not yet been come. So should I get my uterus removed, or should I get it continued in the same way?
I couldn't get your question. I mean, you have not faced the menopause.
Yeah. Menopause.
Are you having some problems?
Yeah, I am still menstruating, and in that.
So that's fine.
That's fine.
If you are not having any problems.
Yeah, I don't have any problem. But the main problem is this: at this age, many people say that it should not be continued after 50 years of age. So is that true?
No, nothing like that. If you are not having any problem, it's okay. Many ladies deliver a child in 70 years of age. So that's not the problem. If you are facing some problems, some pain or some other things, so you can go to the gynae, and she will tell you if there is any problem, so you can get it treated. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine.
Okay.
So it's a good sign. You are healthy?
Yeah, I'm healthy. I don't have any problem as such.
That's good. That's wonderful.
In between this menopause period, sometime I feel ki my legs are paining, my back is paining. In those 5 days, I feel that's all. That's the main problem.
For that, you can take some remedies, not the allopathic medicine. You can take some remedies. Rescue remedy आप ले सकते हैं. Rescue remedy लीजिए उन दिनों में जब आपको थोड़ा सा पेन वगैरह होता है. एक ग्लास पानी में आप 7-8 बूंदें रेस्क्यू रेमेडी की डाल के उसको धीरे धीरे सिप करिए थ्रू आउट द डे, एंड you will get relief.
Okay.
That's all. No treatment is required.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Welcome. Anyone else? Yeah, Anjali.
Good morning. With the medicines which you give, the personalized medicines as per the problem you give, is it to be taken with the regular like rescue or chicory? Can we take both of them at the same time?
Yeah, the regular medicine which I have personalized for you, that you should take according to the instructions, and rest are if required, SOS. Like if you require rescue remedy anytime, you can take it.
Okay.
So and chicory, I have told you to write on the bottle only, so that the vibrations, the good vibration, love vibrations is around the is going within you and in your family. So that's okay, perfectly fine. That is, don't consider that as a medicine from the bottle you are taking. That is not a medicine. That is just changing the configuration of that water into loving energy. That's all. An actual remedy is that which I have given you in prescribed water, personalized water. That is actual.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Welcome. Yes. Hello. Please switch on your camera.
Like to ask a question? How much more time do we have left? I think we have 5 more minutes, maybe.
हेलो रजनी जी।
हाँ सिंधु जी, आप पूछिए, क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं?
कैसे हैं सब लोग?
हाँ सब ठीक है, बढ़िया।
मैं थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया है। मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी कि जो बहुत छोटे न्यूली बॉर्न बेबीज होते हैं, क्या बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज उनमें भी इफेक्टिव है?
उनको इंजेस्ट करने के लिए नहीं देते हैं हम। जो बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनके पल्स पॉइंट पे आप रेमेडी को लगा सकते हैं, बाकी उनको पीने के लिए नहीं देते।
ओके, कोई स्पेसिफिक रेमेडी है या पर्टिकुलर डिजीज के हिसाब से ही होगी? जैसे मेनली जो न्यूली बॉर्न होते हैं उनमें किसी बच्चे की आंख से पानी आता है, किसी की कान से पानी आता है या कान बहने लगता है, इस टाइप की कुछ जो न्यूली बॉर्न के होते हैं अमूमन देखने में
आप रेस्क्यू रेमेडी यूज कर सकते हैं। रेस्क्यू रेमेडी को थोड़े से पानी में घोल के 5-6 बूंदे आधी कटोरी पानी में घोला, और उसको आप थोड़ा थोड़ा उनके पल्स पॉइंट पे, कलाइयों पे लगा सकते हैं। और कान अगर बह रहा है तो कान के पीछे थोड़ा सा लगा सकते हैं। कान के अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए, आंख के अंदर कुछ नहीं जाना चाहिए। एंड बाकी फिर डॉक्टर को दिखाइए क्या प्रॉब्लम है। हाँ बस इतना।
ओके, थैंक यू रजनी, थैंक यू।
हेलो,
वेलकम। हाँ जी,
हेलो,
हेलो।
नमस्कार रुचि जी।
हाँ नमस्कार।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस
कैमरा
एंड
ऑन
थैंक यू।
कीजिए।
अच्छा, मेधा, you need to be am I visible?
Okay. No, you are not,
Just,
but you asked because meeting is going to finish. Very less time is left.
Okay, ma'am. First
Yes.
of all, thank you so much and for doing such great service to all of us. आपने सबको ज्वाइन करा के हम लोगों पे बहुत बहुत बड़ा उपकार किया है, and by educating us. My question is, how effective are these batch flower remedies in autoimmune diseases like arthritis and all?
It can be better controlled. I would not I would not promise any cure, because there is no cure in medical science. And if cure is possible, because तो इसमें भी हो सकता है। ऑटोइम्यून डिजीजेस में आपकी लाइफ बहुत बेटर हो जाती है, वेलबींग बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है। इवन आई एम ट्रीटिंग माई सिस्टर इन लॉ एंड शी इज गेटिंग वेरी वेल। अलॉन्ग विद दैट उनका रूमेटिज्म बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल में है, और उनकी और भी जो छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल में है। शी इज रेगुलरली टेकिंग मेडिसिन एंड बट आई कांट से कि इट विल गो ऑफ, दैट आई कांट से। ऑटोइम्यून डिजीजेस में ये थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, बट यू कैन बेटर मेंटेन देम एंड आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंप्रूव हो जाती है। दैट इज सर्टेनली देयर।
I think I would just like to add one more line here, because autoimmune diseases they cannot be cured, that is sure, but it is usually triggered by a certain condition or an emotion which can be managed very well through batch flower remedies.
Yeah,
like for instance, in my case, I am a severely arthritic person and it is genetic. It has been flowing in our genes I mean, from ages and from generations.
Right.
And my thing started very early.
Vibrations can be changed in the genes also. Vibrations can be changed.
Because I'm a bit apprehensive about my kids. I have 2 girls, you know. So I am a little apprehensive. I don't wish it to go into their generation. So how can certain kind of preventive measures be taken to...
Yeah, by treating yourself, you are treating your ancestors and your next generation too. Because genes are being muted. जीन्स में आपके ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, तो जब आपके जीन्स में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, आपके जो पितर हैं वो भी आपको आशीर्वाद देंगे, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग हील्ड वेरेवर दे आर। दे मे नॉट बी present in this world, but again they will be healed and the next generations will be healed, because you are always connected through genes. So it is quite spiritual. When you are healing yourself, you are healing the generations.
Okay.
आपने बहुत अच्छा प्रश्न पूछा जो शायद मुझे स्ट्राइक नहीं करता बताने के लिए. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anyone else? So let's end the meeting, Richa.
Yeah. Someone has just joined, but I think we'll have to end the meeting because we are just running out of time. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thank you.